Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can add an arrow in Davinci Resolve 18. So there are two ways. First, I'll show you the easiest way. I personally always use it. For this you need to download any PNG arrow image. Now drag this image to the timeline so that it's above the other videos. Okay? And now, as you can see, we can transform it, resize, do anything with this arrow. In the inspector window, you can now animate it with keyframes and so on. It's really easy, I suggest you to use this method. The second method is quite time consuming, but I'll show you that too. Turn on the effects menu in the upper left corner. Okay. Now look for Fusion Composition in the toolbox section. Let's search it, Fusion Composition. After that, drag and drop it onto the timeline. Now select it and go to the Fusion tab. Now we need to add two nodes to the nodes field, background here and polygon here. Okay. Now connect polygon 1 to background 1 node and background 1 to media out 1. Okay. After that, select polygon 1 node and we need to draw an arrow in the preview window. Now click on the background 1 node and let's change the color to red. Okay, good job. Well, now we can transform it to resize, animate with keyframes and so on. I think the first way was better, but you can use the second method too. Well, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if I was able to help you. Bye!